It's your boy Codehova from Combinator. We're pimping Swift. We're going to be talking about polymorphism. So polymorphism, it's another OOP related thing. And just to recap, we have a person class and we have a hustler class, which is a subclass of the person superclass. All right. So polymorphism basically is the idea that there are places that you could stick a hustler into where it's expecting a person, because a hustler is a person. So I don't know how to explain it too scientifically, but I could show you through the code. All right. So let's say we have a variable, okay? And the variable is going to be, this is definitely a person. And we're going to make this equal, we're going to declare the explicit type that this is going to be of a person. All right. So we could create a person, and this is going to be government name. This is just let's say Jane Doe. All right. So if we run this, we have a person, and this person is government name. Boom. Jane Doe prints out. So what polymorphism is saying is that we can make this, we can create a hustler, and the hustler is going to have a government name, and we can name this Nikki Minaj, okay? And then the bank, she got cake. So let's give her a cool million. You heard? Boom. So hustler sticks into a type. So this variable, this is definitely a person that we explicitly declared will be of a person type class. We could stick a hustler into that person, because again, a hustler at the end of the day is a subclass of the person class. Okay? So let's talk about how this might make sense in another way, because we're able to stick a hustler into a person variable. What if we had a function, all right? This function was inspect person. And this is going to be of a person type parameter, all right? So when we inspect the person, we're going to say, let me create a let statement, all right? And the statement is going to be a string interpolation that says this person's name is government name. Person.government name. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to print that statement. So here we have a person, and here we have a hustler. Okay. So let me just create a brand new hustler. Hustler is hustler government name Jay-Z. All right. In the bank, it's like, let's give him a cool billion, because that's what he is, right? Pretty much. So we have hustler. All right. And if we inspect it, we're going to have Jay with a $1 billion bank account. Okay. So we have this function where the name is inspect person and the parameter is expecting a person type. Boom. Good. So let's run that function. Inspect person, and we're going to give it the value of John Doe. Let's run it. So this person's name is John Doe. Good. Because that's what we were expecting, right? When we give it a person, it's going to do what it do. But what is polymorphism? So polymorphism is the fact that we're able to inspect person and give it a subclass as well. So we're going to put in this Jay-Z object, this Jay-Z hustler, into this function that is expecting the type of person. This person's name is Jay-Z. There you go. So when you have polymorphism is saying that if you have a variable of an explicit type and you have a function that's requiring a specific type of parameter, if you have like a parent class, because right here we have the parent class. with polymorphism, we're able to put in a subclass into a parent class's, be it a stored property or a function parameter. But let's just show you again that you can't do this the other way around. So if this inspect person was inspect hustler, okay, let me just create a new one, func, and let me roll down. So if we're gonna inspect hustler with a hustler here, we're gonna copy this over, and this is gonna, let's just say something that's only related to the hustler, and that's gonna be bank. This person's bank account shows dollars. All right, so we're gonna print that statement, print statement. So let's inspect the hustler on the hustler himself. This person's bank account shows $1 billion. Good. That's what we expect. When this function parameter is expecting a hustler type and we give it a hustler, it's gonna do what it do. But if we were to inspect hustler and we gave it John Doe, what's gonna happen? Cannot convert value of type person to the expected argument of type hustler. So the superclass doesn't fit into a function parameter or of an explicit type on a constant or a variable where it's expecting a subclass. But a subclass can fit into stored properties or parameters when the... Damn, I just got tongue-tied. But anyways, so the subclass can fit into places where it's requiring the superclass. That's polymorphism. You dig? It's your boy Codehova. Let's continue getting that bag as we pimp Swift. We have come a long way, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you a lot of love for getting thus far. We got so much cool stuff left. And next thing you know, man, seriously, you're going to have your foot on the neck of Swift. Let's get it.